This is a reminder, I am on my phone right now since I want to do this on my phone since I have to save storage for my tablet. Oh, and this is about me getting a cough, which is also happened in real life. Just now, I still have a cough. So yeah, lol. Enjoy, or whatever. Oh, do you have a cough or something? Or are you just choking on water again? Like how you choke on? Whatever,
So
bro. I'm
sorry.
leaving this place, bro.
It's just that when you're like short and so is your. And I swear to. I think that I have a fever.